Yesterday we painted the Buick, the last pieces of it, which was the body and some smaller pieces that are hanging up over there. And today we've got some panels out in the sun. We got the car out in the sun and we're giving it a nice bake. The sun is gonna heat the panel up. It's gonna get our panel temperature is, right now we're at about 100 degrees on the quarter. In spots of the roof, 120, 130. I've seen as high as almost 150 today, panel temp. And that is gonna drive all the solvent that's in the clear and that fresh paint that's still coming out. It's gonna drive all that out and that clear is gonna shrink up. And then we're gonna cut and buff it. So we've got a door and two fenders out here with the car. And then we've got the hood and the other door are upstairs on the back porch in the sun because they're easier to carry that distance from where they were in the shop. But so yeah, Buick's painted, looks good. All the metallics laid out really nice. It does match. We held all the panels up to each other today before we did this, and it matches very well. So I'm very happy with this. It came out really nice and clean. But it will shrink and it will start looking pretty peely after a few days in the sun here. Firewall's all flat black. That's DC 8115 flat clear.